Hi, yeah. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can uh, add a new disk partition to our Red Hat base Linux operating system. First of all, I will add partition. The partition of the disk here. I will put just 1 gig. We'll check the indication. I will give it the name of data one CentOS 2 data one. Okay, the location is etc VMS CentOS 2 CentOS 2 dash data one. Finish, and then it's created successfully. Then I will run the VM. Let's wait until the process done. We will see how it looks like. Hopefully it's already showed the login menu. I will log in with the username CentOS. Okay, login in successfully. Yeah, cool. I have to make sure that I capture the whole windows of this console. And yeah, let's check the. Oh, I have to again with root user, and let's check. Here we have some partition already. Okay, we have this with hard disk with name of SDA, and the new one is HDB with, as you can see here, that we have but 1 gigabyte capacity. I will first create the partition. We will make new partition on that disk. HDB. Right print. There are no partition are scalable. To create one, we just enter in and choose default because we will use all this, and then print P again, type P for print again, and then type T for change file system type. I will see, because I will make it as LVM. I choose HE for the partition type, print again, and yeah, and enter W to write. Let's see the result. Now we have a new partition with, with pressing point on def is db1 grip db1. We have that partition, and now we have to check the physical value. We have only one physical value here, so I will create a new one. Create the name is data dv fsdb1 successfully created. We have dv1 created for the sdb1, and then the next thing to do is we have to create a volume group. To create that, we write, let's check first VG display. We only have one here that active. To create to create a new volume group, we enter this create data VG, and the Victoria. Let's check the documentation first. For PV create, VG name and PV. Let's check. Yeah, so to create a new VG volume group, get the VG and then physical value that PV. Oh, def STB1, I think. Let's check the VG display. And now we have a new column group. And then to the next thing we have to do is we have to create a logical value, a logical volume of the display. Here we only have a logical value for VG name Santos. That is and that is come up with this open system installation. So to attach our new partition, we have to create new logical volume. To create one, we use this command. If we create, let's check the documentation. If we create a logical value, name and size, and then okay, let's create that LV name, that LV size about 1 gig, and then data LV VG, I think, logical value created. If we display, and then yeah, since we since the partition already uh, attached to the logical value, but we did not mold the partition yet into our table, so we have to prepare the mount point first. We create one, and we create new directory here, data, and then I will make a face, extra face, and then def stb1, I think. No, def data pv and data field, and then we can mount it with mount into data. Let's check, and yeah, now we have our partition already mounted, but we have to make it permanent. We have to add it into our step. So let's add the one, a new record into have a start. Have a start. I will check uh, refresh default 0 for boot configuration, and yeah, I'll check the username here, but home, as we can see here that we only have one username active on non-root for non-root privilege. So I will change all the permission to Santos here. So then I can go to data and add a new file. Get dash log. Okay, I think yeah, we already create one partition here and mount it into our data directory. And now, like for example, if we wanted to extend the capacity of the partition, in case we running all of application, some application, and it finally create a lot of log that we put on the data directory, and the capacity left is we almost hit the limit of capacity, which is 1 GB. So we have to add we have to add more space with this logical value management. We can extend it without without making any new partition and transfer all the data from partition D, but instead we extend the volume of data. Yeah, the first thing we have to do is to attach new disk on the machine, and I will shut down the machine first. Wait for a moment. I will add another disk here. I'm going to add another this here, virtual machine, add another hard disk here. You also told this, and the capacity set you just set to 1 gig. Store and virtual this as a single file. The name, give it syntax 2, data 2, and finish. We have another disk attached to the machine, and let's power on the machine and wait until the login screen showed up. Let's give it a moment for the bot process to finish, and here we go. Let's enter the username. I mistyped the username and maybe the password. Okay, I change. Let's check. Here we have a new partition that should be added here, but I don't see it. Okay, SDC, I think SDC, yeah, okay. So, we have SDC. We have new disk attached. Let's create a new partition here. Primary, just hit enter and check. Then change the type. As I remember, it's 8E, and then bright out. Just SDC. Let's check out. Now we have one partition created, and we will add we will extend this data 1 point from 1 GB to 3 GB by attach the SDC partition into it. So first thing we have to do is create the physical volume. If we create the SDC, it's already created, and then the next thing we have to do is VG extend VG extend, and let me check the extend VG and PV. Okay, VG extend, data VG and physical volume is def HDC1. And then the next thing is we have to extend the logical volume LV extend. Let's check the size. Size and logical value name. Okay. What's the logical value name? Display. Our logical value is def data VG data LV. Okay. LV extend. Then what's the name? LV extend L. Okay, LV extend. And then L. And then place 1 gigabyte, 1 gigabyte, and then the logical value name if that v data vg and data lv. It's show that data lv successfully resize, and then the last thing we have to do is this is fish, grow a fish, and div mapper that then I think that's all. Let's check the result. As we can see here that our partition already extend from 1 gigabyte to 2 gigabyte, and let's go to the partition and page. Yeah, I think that's all that I can show you, that we already create new partition with logical value management, or LVM for short, and we successfully extend the size of its mount point by combine to separate partition into one mount point, so you don't have to create another new mount point. So basically with this I think with this method we can uh, easily achieve the capacity extension without making any authorization, without making any major change on our system. And I think that's a pretty cool feature on Linux that we can, as a system administrator, we can pick up as, you know, the best solution for our uh, file and directory management. So I think that's all for today, and we will uh, I will provide uh, any other interesting video about Linux and especially CentOS or Red Hat on the next session. Thank you and see ya.